Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add separators to your Chrome bookmark bar to better organize your bookmarks. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of your screen. This is where you normally type website URLs or search terms. In the address bar, type Sabesa Maya Studio and press enter. This will bring up search results that include a special separator tool designed specifically for Chrome bookmarks. From the search results that appear, click on the first option. This will take you to a blank page, but don't worry, this is exactly what you need to create the separator. Now, look at the right side of your address bar. You'll see a star icon there. Go ahead and click on this star icon. This is Chrome's bookmark button, and clicking it will open a small pop-up window that allows you to save the current page as a bookmark. This is the key step that transforms that blank page into a visual separator for your bookmark bar. In the pop-up window that appears, you'll notice a text field labeled Name. This field will have some default text in it. You'll want to completely remove all the text from this name field, leaving it completely blank. This ensures that your separator appears as just a clean vertical line without any text cluttering it up. Next, look for the folder drop-down menu in the same pop-up window. Click on it and make sure Bookmarks bar is selected. This is important because it ensures your separator will actually appear on your visible bookmark bar rather than being hidden in a subfolder. Once you've confirmed that Bookmarks bar is selected and the name field is empty, click the Done button to save your separator. Now you can see a vertical line separator appear on your Bookmarks bar. This thin line acts as a visual divider between your different bookmark groups. To position it exactly where you want it, simply click and drag the separator to any location on your bookmark bar. You can place it between different categories of bookmarks to create clear sections and improve your visual organization. And that's it. You've successfully added a separator to your Chrome bookmark bar, making it easier to organize and navigate your saved websites. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.